to a new video. I recently got some mail and I'm going to be unboxing this Access Femme dress that I bought. It's an old release with new colorways, and I was looking at the old release with the old colorways back in the Japan trip and was considering if I should buy those, but I didn't. I only got this dress that I'm wearing right now. And I'm happy that I didn't, because this dress that I ordered is much more my style, much more like my color aesthetic, and I am really excited to unbox the package. I just realized I don't have any lipstick, so let me just really quickly. Some color to my face. Actually, I didn't put any eyeliner this time, and I'm kind of liking the look. And also, I used a brown mascara that I usually don't, and it looks very much like a very natural kinda, but I don't know, like I kinda like it though. Yeah. Anyway, Access Femme. So Access Femme is a Japanese kind of affordable, fashion oriented store. I don't want to say that it's mass producing things, even though it kind of might. I'm not sure about like the scale of operation that Access Femme has, or like how big of a corporation they are. I don't know like anything about their like sustainability things or like anything like that. I just know that the like prices are quite affordable. They're not like super cheap, so it's not like it's like super like fast fashion. Like for example, like dresses like these, like Lolita style dresses cost like around 100 CAD. I think they're usually around like 10,000 yen. At least the one dress that I have bought new was that price, and like the others that I've seen at the store were like around that price point, and also the dress that I now bought was like 100 CAD. I have quite many like Access Femme items in my wardrobe. These I use very like casually. I could actually like get out and show you like details. So yes, there are like a couple buttons here. I like Access Femme because they have like interesting kind of like design details in their dresses. So like for example, the bust darts here, they're not just like sewn like usually, they're like kind of like pleated here. Also the back is fully shirted, and the like straps are adjustable. There is like another button down here, like buttonhole down there. The hem is usually quite simple. They do have a lining to the dress, and this dress for example has like a little like towel edging the hem, so that it's not just like extremely simple kind of dress. What I do appreciate about Access Femme is that it is affordable, and the pieces are quite casual, but they're quite nicely designed so that you can kind of like amp them up kind of, so that like it's easy to kind of like coordinate them more so that they are like more Lolita style, or you can just wear them as they are, so they are like more casual kind of. So for other Access Femme items that I have is this knitted cardigan that I got from Japan. You probably remember this from the Japan haul that I did. This is the like Access Femme boutique. I don't know how to but yeah, like very classic kind of like rustic cottagecore-ish like green cardigan. I love this. I've been wearing this a lot. as well as the dress that I'm wearing right now, like it's been like in constant use. Like whenever it comes out of the laundry, I'm just like putting it on and just wearing it for a week and then just putting in the laundry. A couple days later, like putting it on. But yeah, like I really enjoy this. It's been really nice. One dress that I bought new from the store from Harajuku was during last summer when I was in Japan for my thesis trip. So I bought this strawberry dress. It's very simple, like kind of country style strawberry dresses. The strawberries are digitally printed, which I don't like that much, but I think like as a whole the dress works really nicely, and I love the little like panel here. The hem doesn't have any lace to it, which is kind of like a little like tiny minus to me, but like I could just like sew there some sort of lace. That wouldn't be like a problem at all, so I think I will do that at some point. And also like on the back, shearing it again, and like adjustable straps, which seems to be like a staple at Access Femme items, I believe. Sizing is really good. Like they have different sizes to fit different sizes of like customers of different sizes. And as I mentioned, the pricing is really like affordable, really nice. Designs of the items are like interesting enough to make them kind of like different from other mainstream things. This is the overdress that I bought from Closet Child from Japan. This is missing the like belt, which is not a problem to me. I have a lot of ribbon and everything that I can use as a belt for this, so not a problem to me at all. One other thing that I have are the shoes that I bought. These shoes are really cute. They also have like different sizes, Japanese sizes though, so they might not go as high up as like Western sizes, which is unfortunate. But like these shoes are really pretty. I cannot wait that it gets a bit more warmer outside so I can like wear these with my outfits. And yeah, like these have been really comfortable to wear. Like it's really soft on the inside, so it's like really like bouncy and kind of fluffy. So yeah, like I've been really enjoying these during the Japan trip though, so let's see how I feel when I wear these a bit more. These are so cute. Like look at the like little bows and the shiny like material and everything, and the like the shape of the shoe is also really like complimenting, I feel like. The package, let's open the package and see how the dress looks. One other thing that is like worthy of mention is the shipping. I ordered this on, I think it was Sunday, and it arrived on Wednesday. Like extremely fast shipping, which is like a very I got distracted because I saw like a little bit of the dress. I'm gonna close the box so I'm not distracted. But yes, so really fast shipping. It came in like 3 days to Canada, and it came with DHL, so I think I didn't have to pay any like custom fees for it, so I think it was included in the pricing because I did order from the like international webpage kinda. Not sure how it works, but like very pleasantly surprised. The pricing is good, the shipping is really fast. The shipping was like 20 CAD, I think, so it wasn't like very expensive at all. So I think like I really recommend buying from Access Femme, though like of course the sustainability aspect is not like, I don't know anything about that, but like the clothing is really high quality in terms of the fabric and in terms of the like seam work. I feel like the material is synthetic, so it is kind of like sometimes it does make kind of like a bit of noise, and also sometimes it's also quite like um electrical kind of, or like it get kind of like static kind of, which is not very pleasant. But otherwise I do really enjoy Access Femme items a lot. For this one, like this dress, because I've been using it a lot, the one like minus point is that it's like digitally printed on a white fabric. So whenever this has happened like a couple of times, so my cat is like on my lap and like she's like, you know, making biscuits and everything, and she doesn't really like know how to control her claws, so sometimes she gets like stuck on the dress with her claw, and then she kind of like pulls a bit of like one thread, and you can see the pulls in this dress because it's like the base color is white, so that is kind of like unfortunate. It's something that like maybe it's worth considering when buying like darker dresses, if they have like white base material. So if, because like of course like you cannot get like white pattern onto a dark digitally printed dress quite easily, so that's why the base material is white in this kind of dress. But yes, enough blabbering about this. The invoice, I don't care. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna here open the... Look at it! It's so cute! First of all, the material is feeling really pleasant. I didn't remember... I'm not sure if the like old release was this material. Fluffy bear jumper skirt in mint colorway. The color is more of like turquoise than mint, but I don't really mind. I think it's really cute anyway. And one thing, like one of the reasons why I feel like I can buy this is because I sold my balloon bears. Balloon bears was my like very first Lolita dress that I ever had, and I was thinking for like multiple years like if I should sell it, because I wasn't really using it that much, and because it was OP and it had like some other like features that I didn't really enjoy, so I decided to sell it, and now I have a mint jumper skirt like bear dress that I really like, and I can finally use like the mint kumakumuya that I have that haven't really been able to use. But yes, and the pink bows, though they're kind of like interesting shape, I think they should be kind of like a bit shorter to look more balanced, but they're like super wide. Yes, anyway, adjustable straps, full like half shirt bodice. Print is very nicely done. The material feels, it kind of feels like cotton, or like partially cotton at least. Let's see. Okay, so it's polyester and polyurethane, so it's just polyester fully, but it feels like almost as if it could be cotton, or like that there could be like partially cotton or like some amount of cotton in there, but there is no cotton in this, so it's like fully polyester dress. Lace is cotton, I think. Yeah, the lace is cotton. It said in the tag. This feels very like, compared to this dress that I'm wearing, this is the kind of like a bit thinner material, not very thin, but this is like really kind of like thick and feels really like heavy and good quality material. So in that sense, like I really like this. Yeah, I think I will put this on and see how it looks when it's like properly coordinated. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm really like enjoying this dress, though like the color is more turquoise, as I said, which is not I don't mind, but like instead of saying that it's mint, I would say it's turquoise, which might kind of like, I don't know, like be important to someone. Also, it's quite thick and like heavy polyester, which I think is really nice. It feels very good quality, and yeah, I'm pretty sure that like I will really like this dress. It did come with a little like belt thingy, this one, and yeah, I think it's like pretty cute addition, though. Like I think like the color is not exact match with the like little bows, which is interesting or like kind of weird. Maybe matches more with the like little bows on the like on the necks of the bears. So yeah, yeah, it's what it is. You can use it of course without the belt too if you feel like you want to coordinate it with more like baby pink colors instead of this kind of like I don't know how to describe this. This is kind of like a lilac-ish or violet-ish pink kind of. It's not like dusty. I wouldn't say it's dusty, but it's just like it has like a little pinch of violet in it, so it makes it kind of look darker. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I remember to say everything that I wanted to. Well, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you're like into this kind of video. So those are like the best signals that you can give me to kind of like keep on making this kind of content. So yes, without further ado, we will see you next time. Bye.